Parish Amarpur ni bagai pelai tongtokmani sal din Solandia Monica ni fees chung pale laika sini juda mota rog ni bororo oro five chung kaham ke pale laika tinidin kaham ke chung pale laika tei tinidin tongtokmani din norok jotnano angkabai kukbai tinini dinni salni kakaham ang yapro. Happy feast day to all of you. Hambai.
Hi, good afternoon to all of you. So for all of us today is very important because today we are celebrating the Women's Day. So during this day we are honoring the mothers or the mothers. The mothers are very important playing in our life. So at the same way we also celebrating the St.Monica. So St.Monica is very important that playing the role of her son. She is praying to her son for the conversation for 17 years. After the 17 years of the prayer of St. Monica, then St. Augustine is started. After the conversation of St. Augustine, so St. Augustine also became a saint.
Tinini din balakan angkuk mani din Solandia Monica ni din palai mani din tini Seng Amarpur Paris ningai Tiyari motha ko phaiwei jeng tini khatung khajani bising tui balai nai thokke seng program no pair laika rasamung mosamung game poder por item ni bising tui tini seng kahakereng ke pailai maka bisas ke Chini Father Lijeesh Matthew ni barak makathan ni bisingti seng St. Monica boni mungtoi kaiton thani seng suri laika balaika khatung khaja ni bisingtoi ingate buri rok buhaina St. Monica no folu khayane bangai tini seng chini buri rok buhaina Bro.Wansalan laika khaw stop laika songina laika ambai
Perkaham katana ani kisorita kutebu songna angkene Amarpur Paris ni kaisa ketal ketikis aro ini sopai mani karon kake tini sinaro Tiyari mothani St.Francis Xavier omotha 400 sung tini St.Monica ni salno palai lekha o palai mani bisingyo sung khatung khajak lekha ro samung ro kisa jugal lekha lekha kete jotono sini aro sini Amarpur Paris ni juda mo thatongnai rok jotono fire kuthumjak seng belai ketong tholajak tei tini ni sal ungkha sini St. Monica ni sal mono palai mani sal no seng tei belai ke khatong laijak jotono hambai tini ni program je kothum laijak ke ang nongmani bo tuma karonoi tini seng kothum laijak bono kisa sai khna
ini ke sini Maria Songoni hoite khlaigai sini Amarpur Paris ni hoite sing aronibo khaile phege sini Tiyari motha bo phaige
borok busujona rongkha
gathering ka prai 150 ni eba
okay busuk motha ngai oro sok phai ja angkha
prai 15 ta motha ni phai sok kha
okay program ro bahai tabok to paithak di thangi jong ke bahai rong kha ta
program tong ti paithak tong ha thung khai jak thangkha joto ni quiz ro khai jak kha thete sinai game rok thung ro jak kha bolai ro thong motamoti paithak tabok soba mathawan di thang tong ha thete bon pore samung ro di paithak ke paijang tong ha mote hai di
ni cinema
ini ke Tiyari mothani secretary
Bumang
Dhan Hari Jamatia.
Sampai.